We can get the best indicators of e-waste from looking at the life cycle of electronics. Manufacturers produce electronics which are then distributed and sold worldwide. When someone goes to buy a new phone, their old phone becomes e-waste. That old phone is then placed in a landfill, an incinerator, it's exported, refurbished, or recycled. We can use this model to create another model. If we take the sales data from imports, exports, manufactured goods, and so forth, and add in product data that is compiled of electronics lifespan, materials used in production, and so forth, we'll be able to get the amount of sales and e-waste generated per year and per country. This is similar to how the EPA and other agencies currently get e-waste data. Using this model to tell us where we stand each year, we can now set some targets for us to reach. Current e-waste recycling is estimated at 20% worldwide, 25% in the United States. In our pre-development phase, we plan to increase e-waste recycling to 35% worldwide by 2025. In our takeoff phase, we plan to increase education and recycling services to increase worldwide e-waste recycling to 50% by 2030. In our stabilization phase, we plan to reach our goal of an 80% recycling rate worldwide by 2050.